Hi boys and girls, today we're going to work on using our number line to find different numbers. So you'll notice that these number lines don't start with 1, they start with 10, and that's because we're focusing on numbers from 10 to 20. So at the top, please write your name. On the front part of this page, we're going to work on finding the missing numbers, and then on the back side, we're going to work on finding a number using different instructions. So if I look at this number line, it starts with 10, so what number comes after 10? 11, good. Then 12, so we need to write 13. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we filled in all of those numbers, and so now we're going to do the opposite on the one below it. So if this number is 11 and there's one spot before 11, what number is going to come in that space? Yeah, it's going to be 10. So then 10, 11, so we need to write 12, 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good, so now we have a couple of spaces that are missing in between, so it's getting a little bit harder, but you've got this. So we just do the same thing again, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then we already have 15, 16, so we write 17, and then 18, 19, and 20. Okay, now we're just going to keep doing the same thing, only the numbers are a little bit more mixed up. So on this first one, write 10, then 11, then 12, then we have 13 and 14, so we don't need to write those ones, then 15, and then 16, and now we have 3 that are missing that we have to write, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Okay, we have 2 more, and they have a little bit more numbers missing. So this one has 10, but then we have to write 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15 is written for you, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then on the very last number line, you have to write all of the numbers starting with 10. And you can do it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then last we have 20. Good job, boys and girls. Nice work on the front page and finding your numbers to 20. So on the back page, we are going to use our number line, and it's going to give us some instructions. So the first one says hop 11 spots. So start on 0 and hop 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then circle it. What number did you stop on? Yeah, we stopped on 11, so write 11 in the spot. This time it says start on 10 and then hop 8 spots. So you're not going to start on 0. What number are you starting on? You're starting on 10. So now we're going to hop 8. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then circle the number you ended on. What number did you stop on? 18. Very good. So now this one says start at 2 and hop 13. So put your pencil on 2, and then I want you to count 13 hops. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and circle it. That was a big one. What number did you stop on? Yep, we stopped on 15. Now, this one doesn't give you one to start on, so we're going to start on 0. And it says hop 15 spots. So where do you think we're going to stop? If we start on 0 and hop 15, I want you to think about it. Okay, let's give it a try. Ready? Hop 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. So what do you notice about starting on 0 and then being given numbers? We end up on the number that you were given, right? So if we start on 0 and we hop 15, we end up on 15. Okay, start at 4, hop 16. So put your pencil on 4, here's 4. And how many are we going to hop? 16. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What number did we land on? We landed on 20. Very good. Okay, last one. This one isn't giving us a number, so we're going to start on 0, and it says hop 14 spots. So using what we've already learned, what number do you think we're going to stop on? Did you say 14? Let's find out. Start on 0, hop 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Were we right? We ended on 14? Good job, boys and girls. Give yourself a smiley face on your paper and then turn it in to your teacher and do what she says to do next.